Hello, everybody, and welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina, and this is your little tip on how to turn your fall decor into somewhat of a Halloween decor with just switching around a couple of things. When we bought our new house, I was so excited for fall decor. I couldn't wait. Pumpkins everywhere and everything. Of course, this year, since it's our first fall season in our new house, we're taking it easy because we are still doing renovations. We're still doing a lot of projects around the house, but I did add a couple touches here or there. Now, September, October, November is all about fall decor, but my boys also wanted something Halloween-y. Of course, I always have a little bit of a twist because I add a Christian aspect to all of our Halloween decor and celebrations. So I'm going to switch up some of the things that I already have, that I have already decorated for fall, and switch it up and add a little bit of touches to make it more Halloween-y before the boys come home from school. And it's just using your Cricut machine, getting black vinyl paper, removable if possible, and then the pumpkins that you already have, making them look like jack-o'-lanterns using your vinyl sticky paper, from the Cricut. And that's about it. And I'm also gonna maybe do some wording as well. So I have my scarecrow here already in black, has the perfect colors for the Halloween season. And we got the boys, of course. If you don't know, my boys are big on Star Wars. They actually have a Star Wars YouTube channel called Jedi Toy Masters. Follow them, they're super cute. It's them and their dad talking about all things Star Wars and other toys as well. So I have all these pumpkins. Of course, I would have loved to have a billion pumpkins on this porch, but I'm starting my collection because I want them also to be a mix of real and fake pumpkins. Right now, these are all the fake pumpkins that I've collected, and I'm going to turn them around and make them into jack-o'-lanterns so that they can be flipped over for Halloween and used for the fall season. So supplies. If you have a Cricut Joy or a Cricut machine, this is what I'm using. I'm using it to cut vinyl removable because I'm putting them in my existing pumpkins, but I want them also to be removable so that, you know, I can switch it up later on. So I'm using this black removable paper that goes with the Cricut Joy. I already got started. These I did not pass through the machine because I couldn't find a template for jack-o'-lanterns, but I did cut these freehand. As you can see, kind of like getting a little bit, putting these on the pumpkins. I have a couple of them. I even have a bat. You can probably get a bat. I did see one for a bat. So those are kind of some of the things. I'm also going to use my machine to do words. I'm going to do Jesus shines in me and put it on one of the pumpkins, and I'm going to do it through the machine. So here's my pumpkin, fake pumpkin. You can also put the vinyl in a real pumpkin, I would assume. And now, this is my first test run of running the letters through the machine with this paper. And I just did different lettering. I did it like a little bit too big, but it's all right. It says Jesus shines in me. And that's one of my pumpkins. I'm going to do another one with maybe saying tricks, not treats, or something like that. So we'll see what other inspiration I have. Also, quick little tip. When you're cutting, when the letters have been cut from your machine, if you want to save the part that you peel off, you also have kind of like almost a stencil. So I'm going to be using this in another pumpkin, just like that, as a stencil. So when you peel it off, the white part, whatever the color of the pumpkin is, that's what's gonna show. So I'm gonna use it somewhere else. Just a little tip, you don't have to be wasteful with this. It's pretty expensive. Each of these were about $5.50 or $5 and change. And it can get quite expensive. So that's my little trick. Now I'm going to style all of them and put them on the porch. Look how cute. Fall, Thanksgiving pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin. Ready, Dylan?
Yeah.
Turn around. Oh, you like it? What do you say?
Happy Halloween.
All right, let's see all the decorations. How I switched up harvest into Halloween. The love of Jesus is the sweetest treat. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.